Alright, so I just took a shower, so my hair is actually already damp. It's dried, it's mostly dried, but I just got it a little bit more wet so that hopefully this will work better. But I want to try 1950s rag curls, so I cut out strips of this cat fabric that I haven't used for anything yet, and I'll probably reuse them for this if they turn out well. Or I could like sew them into a quilt or something later if I want to not waste the fabric and I don't think I'm going to use it again. But I'm going to try rag curls because I'm pulling my hair out of my hairbrush. Anyways, tomorrow I'm filming the final like reveal of the dress that I just finished sewing. So I thought maybe I'll try rag curls in the reveal and see if it makes my hair curly at all, because I made a 1950s dress I just finished sewing the buttonholes today. So I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna try to make this even, and I'm not good at doing hair. Like, I am really bad at hairstyles, so I don't know if this is gonna turn out okay or not. I think that's good enough. This is fine. This is fine. Okay, so I'm going to split this down the middle. I'm just gonna work on one side, so this I'll leave for now and I'll work on this side. Brushing my hair real quick to make sure it sits smooth and hopefully will be nice looking when it's done. So they say to take like 2-inch sections, and I don't know how to gauge that very well because I'm actually using my phone camera to film and look at my hair at the same time, so I'm just going by that. So I have fairly long hair, so my hair doesn't curl the greatest, plus I have like really straight hair and it's really long right now, so that might be a factor, but I'm just going to do my first section, so make sure it's smooth. And I have slept in curlers several times. It's not the most comfortable thing in the world, so I think this might actually be more comfortable. I'm just gonna make this knot real quick and put this section in. So from what I've seen, I think you're supposed to tie a knot at the end of the hair, and then I'm just gonna curl the end here and then roll this up. And then I am going to look very silly and tie another knot up here. Oh yeah, I look great. Okay, so there's curl number 1. Okay, I'm gonna move on. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? So I'm gonna take another section brush it out to make sure it's smooth, and I'm just gonna like grab chunks of hair, I guess, try to keep it smooth and roll them up. So I'm just tying another knot, and I don't think I've ever done rag curls before. I believe my mom used to do rag curls. Like, she was around in the, I think she was born in the 50s. Like late 50s. And I believe I heard her say something about doing rag curls when she was younger. So there's that. I mean, I could ask her about it, but I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna keep going. And then I am going to tie another knot. Okay, so that's probably fine. Ooh. This would be a good way to do a Medusa cosplay. Use like green fabric that maybe has snakes on it or something. Medusa cosplay. Oh yeah. Okay. Anyways, I think I might pause filming for a little bit as I try to finish doing these rag curls. I might have to trim these, but also I don't know if I want to because it is probably easier to work with tying the knots if it's longer. Honestly, it's kind of cute. Okay, I'll be back when I am done tying all of my rag curls. Okay, Jolene who? Watch out for your man. I'm here. Okay, so I finished the rag curls throughout my hair, both sides. Some of them aren't done probably that great, but do I care? No. So here are my rag curls. I just poked my eye. I might like try to, I don't know, do a little bow so these are hanging down in my face. Okay, let's do little bows. Oh, yeah, that works much better, I think, than having them long and loose. Alright, so I'm gonna tie these up in little bows, and I guess we'll see how they turn out tomorrow when I take them out. Alright, good morning. It is, my coffee is brewing, and it's time to put on my makeup. So I am using this. So it did turn out really cute. I just used 2 bobby pins to put up kind of some of the top like this. And I brushed out the curls and I think it looks okay. My hair doesn't curl very well though, so like I couldn't expect really curly curls, but this is okay. If you'd like me to try out any more like 1950s beauty things, maybe let me know. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for joining me and have a good day. Bye!